Hello everyone. I hope everyone can hear me. If you can hear me, please do let us know. Hello everyone. I hope everyone can hear me. Right, as I said, I'm just testing what's going on here. So this is my second go. I'm just trying to get everything working. So hopefully you guys can hear me. As I said, it's just a test, really. I'll just turn this off. Right. I am struggling a little bit just to see what's going on. I think you should be able to hear me. There's a bit of a delay, which is a little bit distracting, to say the least. But let's go with it. Right. In today's broadcast, we are going to be covering. Yeah, there's a bit of a delay on Facebook. Sorry, I'm just trying to work out what's going on here. How are we doing this? Let's just have a look. Okay, I think we're still live. As I said, guys, I'm testing this, so excuse me if this isn't making sense. Okay, so I'm gonna. Okay. I think that's working. Okay, so we're gonna basically look at this as this is our start point. Am I in the right place? Let's have a look. Okay, I think I'm in the right place. We're at this load screen, which is going very slowly. Given that this is actually when I need it to be working, let's just reload over here. I think when you run this live cast, it actually slows the system down significantly. But let's see if we can make this work. Okay, so today I'm basically doing my first live broadcast, and really I want to start doing more of these to focus in on some of the details of the apps that I'm working on, some of the problems I'm overcoming, and some of the things I think might help with you guys learning, and obviously getting your feedback, and we can focus on some areas that you need help with as well. So I really just want to do a few more videos to engage with my audience. Otherwise, I know there's long periods where I just don't get the opportunity to do so. So I'm going to shrink myself down to the corner so I don't take up the whole screen. There we go. That's better. So I've been working on this timesheet app, and I thought today I could just give you an overview of a custom approval process that I've built in, because you get the approval process that's built into Power Automate, which is useful. But for this timesheet app I'm working on, that I'll do a full video on soon, it didn't really work for me because I wanted to keep the approvals within the app, and also some of the options that were given to me for the approvals outside of the app had a negative impact on the experience, and gave some options I didn't want, like assigning to someone else, that kind of thing. It didn't work well with how I wanted the approval flow to work within this timesheet app. So basically, what I wanted for my timesheet app was when a timesheet is created, you could assign it to your manager. Your manager will get an email saying there's a new timesheet being submitted for you to approve, and then a link to the app for them to log into the app and then review the timesheet and approve that timesheet within the app. So if I did it outside of the app, you couldn't really review the timesheet because the format of the presentation of the timesheet was in the app. So I wanted them to come back to the app. I didn't want to have to go out of it to that approval window. It just didn't feel like the right way to go. So let me give you a quick demo of how this approval works. So I'm in my app. I'm just going to play it. I'm going to click to add a new timesheet. I select the date where I want the timesheet to be created. Let's say it's February, the week for the February the 8th. I can pick any date in here. It will automatically work out the beginning and last date of that week. And then I'm just going to put myself as the manager just so I can show you the flow. Okay, so here's the timesheet format that I've created. In here I can put in hours of the day in here, so I could go, I was on holiday for 8 hours, I did BAU for 8 hours. I've also, here's the how many hours I'm contracted to work per day, the maximum, that's just built in, so if I go over those hours you can see it comes into red. And if I'm under, it'll also go into red, just saying that I need to add more hours. I could also say I worked on a project, project 22, let's say, for another 8 hours on Friday. So there's my timesheet. I'll just put some notes. This is approval test. There we go. I'll need to save it first. So I save the timesheet. Then it just comes, you can see all these little check boxes here, and that means the record has been saved. I get a message over there. It also comes up with this message saying that the current approval is not submitted. And if I go into, basically when I click on save, it puts all the information and also as a status, just to say that okay, it's been saved but it hasn't been submitted, and this is just to show the user that it's saved but not submitted for approval. So if I want to request approval for my timesheet, I'll click on request approval button, and now it goes off to the manager I've selected over here. That manager will get an email saying you have a timesheet to approve. Let's have a look. Oh, my emails quickly. There we go. There we go. There we go. You have a new timesheet to approve for Barry Abrahamson. Now I could put in the link to the timesheet app, which I will do once it's ready. And so my manager will get that and go, okay, I know I've got a timesheet to approve. So if I click back to this is the main menu screen when I log into the app that I get. Now, because I'm the manager as well, I'll put some logic in eventually to say that the person who's registering the timesheet can't be the same person who's approving their own timesheet. But I won't do that yet because I'm using it for demonstration purposes. So I've got 2 timesheets to approve, so I can either click on approve timesheets here or click on that button. So I'll go approve timesheets. Here's the 2 timesheets I have to approve. I think it was this one over here that I've just selected. So if I click on that, there we go, it's an approval test. All the time I put in is over there. And then I can click on approve timesheet in here. So I can either approve or reject it. Actually, I can see there's an error in this column, which I'll need to go and fix, but I'm just showing you the approval flow at the moment. I'll click on the reject timesheet because I can see there's some time missing. I can just say time is missing from Monday, and then click on the reject button. What that does, it goes off to SharePoint and then updates the status column to rejected. You can see this is updated, that's gone. I'll go back to my main menu. I can see here's a list of all my timesheets. I think it was, which one did we just reject? Yeah, this one at the bottom. So let me open that one. I'll go in here. You can see it's rejected over here. Here's the comments. time is missing for Monday, so I'll need to go in again, update. Obviously I can't do it now, there's an error in the timesheet code which I'll need to go and fix, but I could just go and update the time and then save it and request approval again until it's been accepted. So as you can see, it's just built in. All I'm doing here is within the code, I'm updating the statuses of the timesheet. Basically of the approval status to pending approval, and then my galleries are just looking for the different statuses, and depending on whether the status is there or not, it'll show it in the gallery. So it's basically just a custom approval flow. So I suppose the point of this video is that you don't have to use the SharePoint approval flow, and it's great for what it is, but sometimes it's really easy to build your own approval flow, and that's what I've done here. So that's just a short video. This is my first live broadcast, so it was really a test for this live streaming, and I'll be doing more and hopefully get more used to doing these live streams as I go. But thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys are enjoying making Power Apps. It's a really powerful tool. We're going to try and set up another session with Darren Neese shortly, just to talk about artificial intelligence, AI, ChatGPT, where we see the benefits and maybe some of the concerns around it. So that should be quite a good session. It's really exciting technology, but it's also very scary at the same time, especially on the jobs front for a lot of people. So looking forward to having that conversation. Hopefully this live stream went out okay and you guys could see the video and hear it okay. Yeah, look forward to engaging with you guys more often over this live stream format. Take care, and we'll speak to you soon.